4 ways to leave a great first impression. The first thing, present yourself appropriately. Yes, it is important to dress up wherever you go and meet people or whenever you're stepping out, but that doesn't mean that you have to dress up as if you're going for a fashion show. You need to be yourself and you need to dress up according to the occasion. ये जान लीजिए कि जहाँ पर भी आप जा रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से आप ड्रेस्ड हैं या नहीं, बिकॉज उसके हिसाब से appropriately ड्रेस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जब तक हम मुंह नहीं खोलते लोग हमें हमारे ड्रेसिंग से जज कर रहे होते हैं. So spend a little time to understand the occasion and dress appropriately. And the second one is smile. People forget to smile. Nervousness है, डर है, या generally इतने परेशान हैं कि smile भूल जाते हैं. It is so important to smile. You smile and the world smiles with you. One smile can break the ice between strangers. So smile. The third, use small talk. So to know them a little bit more, you need to start talking and talking about general things around. So कोशिश करिए कि एक छोटी सी small talk ज़रूर करें so that you can break the ice and you can have a further conversation. You can build that relationship further. And the fourth one is so important. Be yourself. So many times people become somebody else because they want to present themselves better. क्योंकि हमें दूसरे लोग बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. The grass is always greener on the other side. So we try to become that. And उसमें हम खुद को भूल जाते हैं. But being yourself is going to give you a lot of confidence. It's going to build trust in that relationship that is being formed at that point in time. झूठ बोलकर अगर आपने कोई relation बनाया तो आगे जाके वो टूट जाएगा, right? So first impression को अगर एक lasting impression बनाना है, so be yourself. For simple ways how you can leave a good first impression, do write in the comments and share with me which one really works for you and how do you work on leaving a good first impression. And if you wish to connect with me, all the links are with the description of this video. There's a link in my bio. Connect with me, follow me, subscribe to my channel. And I'm Nidhi, your communication skills trainer.